Hey, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to do your supplier services. So this is where you add on any deco packages, canapes, corkage if you bring your own wine, vehicles, the sweets treats package. It's all done through this section. So we click on supplier services, click on actions and add a service. So it's got everything here, our cocktails and jazz package, deco packages, hog roast, everything is on here. So we click on deco packages for now. It's got our three different options there. So if you wanted the finishing touch, you just change the 0 to a 1 and it will ask you to confirm the booking. If you're happy with it, you press OK and that will automatically send it to us to approve it and send the details over to the correct supplier. Again, once all your sections are done, click on Actions, send section for review. Once you're happy, you press OK. Once you have locked any section, it does mean that you can't do anything, you can't edit anything else on this. Make sure that you are happy with everything before you send it to us. Again, if you need to go back to your home page, click on the Sonas button. Just a reminder, when you are doing supplier services, please make sure you include your wedding dress supplier, suit supplier, hair, makeup, photographer, cake maker, absolutely all your suppliers, to make sure we can tag them all in your Facebook post that we will do, to make sure that they get a recognition as well for making your day as good as it was. To do that, you add in a custom service and then you input the information there on the custom service and just save it in afterwards.